In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to connect your Facebook with Restream and go live. So first of all, go to your browser and come to restream.io website and sign into your account. And then you get this dashboard. In this left-hand menu, click on channels. Here, click on add channel. Now from this channel list, you have to find out Facebook, then select Facebook. And here, if you're using Restream free, then you can just go live to your profile. And if you're using a paid account, then you'll be able to go live to group and page from Restream. So I'm selecting my profile and just clicking on connect Facebook, clicking on continue. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my Facebook account with this Restream website. Now all you have to need to go live to your Facebook from Restream, click on new stream, select encoder RTMP, enter here your stream title, select your stream starting date and time, click on next. And here from this channel list, you have to enable Facebook and then click on create event. And then from here, copy the RTMP URL, then go back to your OBS studio. So we are going to stream on Facebook using Restream using OBS. So in OBS, click on settings, select stream, service, select custom, enter here the RTMP URL that you just copied, and go back to your Restream, copy the stream key and paste here the stream key, click on apply and click on OK. Now just click on start streaming. Once streaming started, go back to your Restream dashboard, click on done, and here we can see the live video, click on the live video. Now I'm just going to my Facebook and going to my Facebook profile page, and here as you can see, currently I'm in my Facebook profile live from Restream. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.